Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change account name Windows 11. We will open the control panel from the search box in Windows. Here, click on User Accounts, and in the next window, click on User Accounts again. After that, click on the line Change Your Account Name. You only have to enter the name of the account you are going to establish and apply the changes by clicking on Change Name. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.